In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Google Maps. If you've ever searched for hotels, attractions, or ride estimates in Google Maps and wished the prices showed up in a different currency, there's a quick fix built right into the app. Google Maps ties price currency to the app's language setting. So by switching the language to match the country whose currency you want, prices will usually update to reflect that currency. This walkthrough focuses on the mobile app so you can make the change in just a minute. Start by opening Google Maps on your phone. Look to the top right of the screen and tap your profile picture. If you don't have a photo set, you may see your initials in a circle instead. Tap that. This opens your account menu where you can control how the app behaves and how information is displayed. From the menu, tap Settings. In Settings, find and open app language. This section tells Maps which language to use throughout the app interface, and it also influences the currency used in price displays. Don't worry, you can always switch it back later, and it won't change anything in your Google account outside of the Maps app. Now choose the language of the country whose currency you want to see. For example, selecting English, United States, typically switches prices to USD. Pick the option that best matches the region of the currency you need. This choice doesn't have to change the language you're comfortable reading. Many regions offer English variants that still trigger the matching currency. After selecting the language, restart Google Maps to apply the change. Fully close the app, swipe it away from your recent apps, and then reopen it. When the app starts back up, give it a moment to refresh prices. You should see updated currency on hotel listings, attraction prices when they're provided, and ride estimates from supported services. Some items may take a short time to update as Maps reloads local data. If you don't notice a change right away, double check that app language is set to the region you intended, then relaunch the app again. Keep in mind that a few listings come from external partners, so they may display differently until data refreshes. You can repeat these steps anytime, whether you're planning a trip abroad or you simply prefer viewing prices in a specific currency. That's all there is to it. Open Maps, go to your profile, head into Settings, choose App Language, pick the region that matches your desired currency, and restart the app. Thanks for watching, and enjoy clearer price comparisons in Google Maps.